They're such weak and brittle bones, y'all. Anyways, yes, my name is Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be doing something a little unprecedented. For me, at least. I'm going to attempt one of the most challenging eye looks for me, which is what I call it a rainbow eye, where you do like multiple colors on the eye, you try to make them blend seamlessly and all that. I'm gonna try to do it, okay? By the time you guys are watching this, it is the new year, so happy belated new year. It's 2020. The beginning half of this year is gonna be crazy busy for me all the way through March and part of April, so I'm hoping I can still keep up my regular upload schedule, but if I can't, just give you guys a heads up. You know, if you care, if you don't, that's fine. It would mean so much to me, and I would truly appreciate if you guys left me a like down below, if you commented, and of course if you subscribed and shared this out to your people. That would mean a lot to me, especially the likes, because y'all ain't liking my stuff, but it's okay. It's completely okay. I'm gonna get right into it because I don't want this video to be super long. I'm filming this, by the time you watch this, it's well into the new year, but I'm filming this on the 28th, I think. Yes, I'm filming this on the 28th, a few days after Christmas, but I wanted to film a look. I don't know why, you know. I'm really excited to use this palette. I've been waiting and I've been thinking of what I could do with this palette, especially with these colors, y'all. Like, oof. What can't you do with these colors? And so my goal is to use these three right here into a look. My goal is to do kind of like a cut crease, like the three colors up top, maybe mix in a purple at the end, do a cut crease, and then do like a nice shimmer on top. Oh, I'm moving the primer I put down. Whoops. I have this grand idea in my head and I'm hoping I can execute it. I feel like my skill level is at a point where I can do it and it won't look terrible. So we're gonna get right into it, and y'all just, you know, wish me luck. I hope it turns out great. I have a good feeling about it, but things happen. If you're familiar with this channel, things happen all the time. Let's get into it. I've been talking too long. I've already primed my eyes, so I'm gonna go right in with my execution. Y'all, please pray for me. I'm gonna try to stick to one palette, because I was thinking maybe doing like a one palette look every often, or maybe like 2 videos a week. I'm rambling, it doesn't matter. We'll see what happens. Anyways, let's get on with it. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with A2 right here and just see what happens, y'all. I'm so excited. I feel like I can do it. Like, I don't know why. Maybe it's because I've been a little bit, just a little bit. I'm not like gone. Oh wow, that's pretty. I'm not gone, you know. I haven't been like, woo, I'm not like crazy like that, but it's the holidays and I'm around family, and you know, sometimes you just need a little help. But anyways, I got so many great things for Christmas this year. I would do a haul. I feel like, I don't know, I like watching other people's hauls, but I'm not necessarily gonna do my own, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, I feel like all from me would be incredibly boring. A makeup item that I got, which is right here, let me get it, this bad boy right here. I have a few Fenty products. I have their lip balm, a contour stick. I had a sample of the foundation, the matte one, the first one she came out with. It was too matte for my taste, and I haven't tried the hydrating one. But I stayed away from the highlighter, even though everybody was like going on and on about how great it was. Y'all remember that whole trophy wife moment where everybody and their mom wouldn't shut up about it? I remember. Pepperidge Farm remembers. And I just have way too many highlighters. I'm never gonna get through that many highlighters, so I stayed away from her highlighters, but I was gifted this for Christmas. I didn't think I would like it either, because I prefer my highlighters to be a little more, what's the word I'm thinking? I prefer them to be a little more like, I don't like them to be too attention-getting. I like subtle, that's the word. I like my highlighter to be a little more subtle. When I put it on my face, I've been using it the past few days. It's so pretty, so pretty. So I'm so grateful that I got this. And it's the Kilowatt Duo. I wish I would have bought this earlier. I feel like that's a decent transition shade, you know. I'm just trying to, we gonna figure it out, and we gonna see what happens. We gonna see what's poppin'. Okay, so the first shade I'm gonna go into is this yellow shade right here, D4. I'm so scared, because I have just this vague idea in my head, and I'm just hoping, praying that it turns out okay. But I'm hoping as I go along you guys get what I'm trying to do, because I'm 100% sure that I didn't explain it right. Okay, so the next shade I'm gonna go into is that orange shade right here. Oh wow, it's so pretty. I've always wanted to do a look like this, but I've always been too scared because I was like, the way my skills are set up. Now I'm gonna go in again with that pink shade, which is D3. This was the right order. This was the right order of colors. And I think I'm gonna do purple out and towards the end. It's always this eye that I mess up on every time. Why can't you just let me be great? I want to do a darker color right here to finish off the look. I'm gonna go with C3, which is right here, this one. Oh yes, that is more than fine. That's actually pretty nice. Told y'all this palette would bring back my creativity. I always want to do like the different makeup challenges, like the blindfold makeup or the makeup without a mirror challenge. Like I always want to do those, but I'm like, is it played out? Like I feel like it's been done already. So I'm always like worried, but in my heart of hearts I know, girl, just do it, who cares? So I think, you know, especially since I'm gonna be busy the first few months of this year, I think I'm gonna go ahead and go in with those challenges. If for nothing else, just to like make sure I have steady content, because I don't know if I'm gonna have time to just be able to film. This side's looking amazing, but this side is like hot garbage. All right, it's looking nice, but that yellow is not really doing it for me. I'm gonna go in with my Honey palette from ColourPop. I'm gonna go in with Sweet Spot right here. Maybe see if I can get that a little more opaque. Oh yes, baby. They say you need opaque. We got you. Okay. We straight. Okay. So here's where the fun part comes in, I think. I don't know why I'm so hype. I'm just really hype right now. Well, I have an idea of why I'm hype, but like, shh. Where's my concealer? Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a cut crease. You know what? I'm just gonna do it. Maybe you guys will see the vision. I'm just gonna do it right here for now until I decide where I want to create that crease. Ooh, I'm so excited. I'm so hyped. This is like probably the most hype I've been in a while. Usually I'm so nervous and I'm moving slow because I'm scared to make a mistake, but I am zooming through this, baby. Zooming. Oh my God, Tiffany. That's what you get. You got too cocky. Ugh, I'm so annoying. Well, you know what? If nothing else, I'm ambitious. Let's try to do the other eye without messing it up. It's already looking crazy, y'all. Okay, I swear I have the wrinkliest eyelids I've ever seen. It's so annoying. Okay, let me see. It's kind of even, right? I made the pink short over here and the violet or blue shade long. So let me just do that and see. Let me stop before I mess up this whole look and get mad. Anyways, this is not what I planned. But you know what? It's okay. Oh, I said I was gonna try to stick to one palette, huh? I broke that. I used this one. It is what it is. Who cares? The plan is to put a shimmer here now. I want it to look really nice. This palette doesn't have a lot of shimmers, which I'm not mad at, but I'm trying to decide whether I want to use this one or this one, which is super bright. Let me swatch these two. The super bright one. Oh, that's pretty. You pretty, girl. Or the the decision has been made just from that reaction. I almost never do this, but I'm gonna wet it this time. Or does it really need it? Ah! I wet it. I don't know, y'all. I'm kind of not feeling it. What y'all think? I'm not really feeling it. I feel like I need something darker. Let me look at this palette first. Let me try Dandy. Maybe Dandy will do it for me. Dandy's doing it for me.
Dandy is doing it for me.
I don't know. Which side y'all prefer? I'm liking this side right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and put Dandy on top of this. Oh my gosh, I feel like I can feel the disappointment on the other side of the screen. And you're right to feel that way, because I'm a little disappointed too. Even though I really like this shade. It's okay. It's a look. It's a look. I've never claimed to be a pro. I've never claimed to ever know what I'm doing. So yeah, we just have fun over here on this channel with makeup. We don't take ourselves too seriously. Maybe I can stick another color on top of that inner corner thing that I tried to do. Maybe, I don't know, maybe a red? Let me just put the red there because that yellow is completely gone. I mean, it's better than nothing. Don't be judging me too hard. I'm trying. Nothing that concealer and willpower can't fix. Maybe the eyeliner will fix it. That barely helped. Oh my gosh. I mean, I feel like now I'm just kind of looking clownish. Should I even bother with the rest of the face, y'all? I really don't feel like I need to. Whatever. Who cares? I'm gonna do the rest of the face. Maybe it'll look better with the rest of the face. I really thought this would turn out a little better. Like, it's not awful. I don't hate it, but like, this highlight's so pretty. I bet y'all can't even see it. Does my camera even pick it up, really? Probably not. And it's so subtle. Like, this might become my go-to highlighter. Maybe the lashes will save it, because, you know, lashes will save anything. Hey, yo, and I watched the new Frozen movie. I didn't like it. I feel like that's an unpopular opinion because everybody was like hyping me up about it. I didn't like it. I feel like it was just like, I don't know. It's just, I feel like it was missing the magic of classic Disney films. I just was bored halfway through it. Halfway through, I was just like, oh my god, please end this movie. I don't know. I didn't feel the magic that I felt in the first one. And I love Disney films. But I was so bored with this one. I was actually pretty disappointed. To me, it felt like a cash grab. It just had, I didn't like any of these songs. It wasn't a bad movie. I just feel like my expectations just weren't met, I suppose. Let's let the hair out. Okay, I don't hate it. I don't hate it anymore. I don't hate it as much as I did 5 minutes ago. I think the lashes definitely helped add the dramatic flair that it needed. But like, the more I'm looking at it, it definitely didn't turn out the way I wanted. I feel like maybe I can do something, go a little dark on my lips. Maybe like a... I tend not to prefer matte lips, but I bought this on accident and I really like the shade. I think that's a little better. I like look at that color. I just like this color. And just to add a little bit of sheen, just a little bit. I can live with this. The more I'm looking at it, y'all, I'm okay with it. Cause I kind of like it now. I'm kind of digging it now. I can see my vision in there somewhere. But you guys be the judge. You guys tell me what you think about this. I think for my first look on the new year, it's not too bad. And I'm sure you guys will let me know down in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching and checking it out. It would mean so much to me if you went down below. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, share this out to your people, subscribe. Once again, happy belated new year. I had a lot of fun. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.